So this is my chicken, my mix, the mix for the big chicken. I have some bouillon powder in there, lemon pepper for that kick. I have cumin, just about a half a teaspoon, some garlic powder, onion powder. I also have some chili pepper in here just for that kick. It's optional. You don't need to put it in there if you don't want. I have some thyme also, and I don't know if I mentioned bouillon powder. So this is all I have in my mix here. Now I'm going to rub it on my chicken and I'll show you the process, okay? So as you can see, this is the chicken here. This is a whole chicken in case you're wondering what I'm doing. And before I applied the mix on the chicken, I rubbed a little bit of olive oil on the chicken so we can hold the ingredients, or my chicken mix, whatever you want to call it now. So I don't know if you can see I have some cuts on my chicken here, and the reason why I have all these cuts, I want the mix to go in properly so the chicken can taste good, can have all the recipe inside, under the skin, the wings. Make sure you rub it thoroughly, okay? And while you're doing this, make sure that your oven is turned on to 400 degrees, okay? Alright, so as you can see, there's the chicken in the tray. I'm using a baking tray, that's what I feel like using today. And that is my oven, already set to 400. So we'll wait for it to get to 400 and then I'll put it inside the oven to bake, okay? Alright, you can see 400, so this bad boy is ready to go in. Okay, hold on. So that's our bad boy in there, okay? Alright, so that's it for now. So while I'm baking the chicken, this is some bad boy here. This is zucchini, the yellow one. Some spinach. Celery sticks. And some broccoli here, okay? My vegetables. Alright? Oh, so in case you're wondering, this is a yellow zucchini, some broccoli, and some red tomatoes. Yeah, ask me if there's a green tomatoes. No, pink one. There may be. And then I just use some seasoning. That's it. You can add bell pepper. You can add onions if you want. Spice your vegetable however you want to your taste. That's good. So when the chicken is ready, that's gonna be my side, okay? What do you think? You like it? Do you love it? Oh, let me test this bad boy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, do you see that? Do you see that? Let me try it. Oh my god. That is so crunchy and sweet. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. This is so delicious. Guys, I want to try this out. Oh my gosh. What did I do? Oh no. So I just fry this with a little bit of olive oil, okay? Oh my God, I can't have enough of this, Jesus. This is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. All right. And that's that bad boy ready. Yeah. That's what it looks like. All right. It's officially served. What do you think? See how brown it is? I love the color so much. Let me know if you'll make some of this. You can use any vegetable of your choice. You can stir fry. You can as well bake your vegetables, onions, tomatoes, bell peppers, however, whatever you feel like, you know. Let's make it look good. I just love the color. Oh my gosh. It makes it so attractive. Ugh. Oh my God. I'm not doing this on purpose, I promise. All right, let me go eat. Bye.